This is Romel's Royal Recap Review Reaction in 1 minute of Drag Race Philippines Station Royal Episode 10. Timer starts now. So, ito ang finale episode ng Station Royal, no? So, nagkaroon sila ng ball wherein nag-showcase sila ng tatlong iba-ibang looks, no? And, Defying Gravity, Ariel, si Arizona yung pinaka-bet ko. Yellow Couture, I love Suki Dolls look. And then, Best Drag Eleganza, si Vinyas, yung pinaka-bet ko, yung tipis niya kineme. And then, nagkaroon ng tite, totally impressive talent extravaganza. Si Arizona yung nag-perform ng Arizona, may very quintessential Arizona. Brigading had lip-sync to her own song. And then, si Suki Dal, nagkaroon siya ng cultural Cambodian performance. And then, si Vinyas Deluxe, kumanta siya ng Mrs. It Live. And then, ang Miss Congeniality of the season ay si Suki Doll, which I think super deserved. And then, ang naging top 2 ay ang Divine Divas na sila Brigading and si Vinyas na nag-lip-sync sila ng Born to Do Drag by Marina Summers. And ang nanalo ay si Brigading. So, Brigading is the winner. Siya ang champion of Station Royale. Yan.
Deserve naman ba?
Congrats!
si
Congrats,
Brigading?
Briggs! Time's up. Yan.
Deserve naman ba?
Sorry, inintay ko. Deserve naman for me. Deserve naman. Season-wise and nung finale, deserve niya naman yung lalo na nung nag-lip sync na sila ni Vinyas. Super deserve yung win. Siyempre, Team Vinyas ako, no? Pero gets ko naman na bakit nanalo si Brigitte. Yeah. Congrats, Briggs.